Hey guys, what's up? This is Jeff Geronimo and thank you for watching this video. And yet we have another product review here. We have this ISDT LP2 Air, which Vizen Marketing sent to us para i-review. So what is this small thing right here in my hand? This thing is really useful kapag marami kang batteries na meron. Kung meron sa inyo nakaka-relate sa akin na kapag nag-charge ng battery and isa lang yung pwede sa charging port mo, ang daming nakasaksak sa extensions nyo. So right now, you can charge multiple batteries up to 2 in this multi-functional charging port. Why multifunctional? So you can charge different batteries here, especially battery ng Canon. So we have here LPE6, LPE12, and LPE17. So right now, I'll discuss to you what are the benefits, pros and cons of using this charger. So let's start with the benefits first. So as I mentioned earlier, this is a multifunctional charging port, meaning marami kang pwedeng ilagay na battery basta Canon. So I have here is the Canon version of this. Marami ring version, pwede rin sa Sony brand. So pwede mong isaksak pagsabayin yung LPE12 mo while you're charging the LPE6 dito sa kabila. So that's very useful, right? So second benefit of this multifunctional charging port is it's very lightweight and compact. Hindi siya dadagdag sa weight ng travel bag mo or kung saang compartment mo. And next thing is the USB-C port. So as you can see, usual charging port right now is USB-C. So hindi ka naman problema na maghanap ng kable para sa charging mo. Next thing is you can use your power bank para mag-charge using this multifunctional charging port. Napaka-useful nun kasi hindi naman tayo laging may power outlet, lalo kung nasa remote area ka. And last thing is, which is my favorite, is you can use this ISD Link app. Yan. This ISD Link app para makita kung full charge na yung batteries mo. And sometimes it's not that accurate kasi di naman intelligent yung ibang batteries natin. But it's nice to have para lang din malaman mo kung full charge na yung batteries na nakasaksak sa multifunctional charging port na to. Which is again, this is the ISDT LP2 Air for Canon. So that's all for the benefits. Now let's go to the cons of this multifunctional charging port. Once that you get this product, wala kang makikitang adapter inside the box. So kailangan mong bumili ng adapter para makapag-charge ka using this charging hub. And actually, hindi siya problema kasi if you have your own adapter, pwede mo rin siyang gamitin. And as I mentioned, yung isa sa cons nito is hindi accurate yung app nito. Sometimes nakalagay dun sa app mo is 68% pero tumutunog na yung charging port. It does mean na full charge na yung battery mo. I can go with it siguro kasi syempre hindi naman, again, as I've mentioned earlier, hindi naman talaga intelligent yung batteries na meron tayo. So it's nice to have pa rin na makikita yung progress. Because sometimes lang hindi talaga accurate yung nasa app. But I think pwede pa rin siya ma-update or magawa ng paraan kapag nagkaroon tayo ng firmware update very soon. Then last is the sound and tone of this multi-charging port. Kasi I can say na very old nung tone na meron tayo dito sa charging port na to. And okay lang din naman siya, but I'll put that in my cons list for this charging port. So there you have it, guys. I've been enjoying using this ISDT LP2 Air for a while now, and it's really convenient to charge both of my batteries sa isang charging port. Sobrang portable niya, hindi siya yung chunky na charging port na meron tayo that it comes with our cameras. So very useful, compact, and also lightweight. I really love the lightweightness of this product. And one thing na isa pa sa favorite ko is yung talaga nakapag-charge ako using my power bank. It's nice to have, lalo kung nasa kotse ka, bigla ka nawala ng battery, and you can use this charging hub. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Again, disclaimer, this product was sent by Vizen Marketing and they told me to use it and have a product review para matulungan ko kayo kung para sa inyo ba talaga itong charging hub na to. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more about photography, videography, and content creation, just click the subscribe button. And also, if you find this helpful, don't forget to click the like and share button. That's all for today. See you on my next one. Bye. Peace.